Today we're visiting the Cascade walk near Swan's Crossing. So as you're driving into Swan's Crossing, there's a sign here that says Cascade walk 20 metres. So just on the other side of the causeway, you'll see a few little steps, and that's the start of the Cascade walk. And there's the steps. Let's see what we have in store for us on the Cascade walk. I'm already loving this. What an absolute beauty of a tree. I can only imagine what this area of Australia would have looked like before it was all logged. This whole area is a state forest, so it's been logged many times. How great to only hear nature and some vlogger with a camera. This place is stunningly beautiful. Here we are approaching the Cascade, which I have never seen before. At the destination there's a convenient little seat if you would like to have a rest, listen to the sounds of nature. Cicadas. I couldn't hear cicadas back there, all I could hear was birds and water. Now I can hear cicadas. So where did you go? Down to the rocks? Down further? One big advantage you have here over North Queensland is you know there are 0 crocodiles. This is a beautiful swimming hole if you'd ever like to go for a swim. You are allowed to swim in this water. The water's clean and drinkable. And there's a view of the Cascade from here. Take some photos, and that'll be about it. That's the Cascades, just downstream of Swan's Crossing. I'm very, very happy that I came here. I can't believe I've never been here before. I'll be back with some swimmers and a towel and some lunch on the next trip. Next summer trip anyway, because this water is freezing. This is spring water that's fed from the mountains in Comboyne, and it truly is clean and disgustingly cold. Alright, humanoid life forms, you know the drill. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewy out. Peace.